Today we are starting ABC. A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for hat, I for iron, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for octopus, P for penguin, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for sun, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra,